In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get smoother playback in Adobe Premiere Pro. If your timeline feels choppy or laggy, these practical tweaks will help you edit faster without compromising your final export quality. We'll keep things simple and effective. First, lower your playback resolution. In the program monitor, open the resolution drop-down that usually says full and switch it to 1ANIF or 1 core. This only affects preview quality while you edit, not your exported video. It's a quick win for heavy sequences, high-resolution footage, or multicam edits, and it can instantly reduce stutters. Next, make sure GPU acceleration is enabled. Go to File, Project Settings, General, and under Renderer, choose Mercury Playback Engine GPU Acceleration. Pick the GPU option available for your system. This shifts a lot of processing from the CPU to your graphics card, speeding up playback, effects, and rendering. If the GPU option isn't visible, update your graphics drivers and try again. Now clear your media cache. Over time, cache files can grow huge or become corrupted. Head to Preferences, Media Cache, and click Delete. Choose to remove unused or all cache files as needed. This frees disk space and can fix mysterious slowdowns or audio-video desync that appear during playback. For demanding footage, use proxies. Proxies are lightweight versions of your clips that Premiere swaps in while you edit. In the project panel, select your clips, right-click, go to Proxy, then Create Proxies. Choose a lower resolution preset, set a destination, and let Premiere generate them. Add the Toggle Proxies button to your toolbar if you haven't already, and switch it on for silky timeline scrubbing. When you export, Premiere automatically uses the full resolution originals so quality stays intact. Close other apps to free up RAM and CPU. Web browsers with many tabs, background updaters, and other creative tools can eat resources. Save your work, quit what you don't need, and consider restarting your system before big edits to clear memory. Finally, keep Premiere Pro and your GPU drivers up to date. Open the Creative Cloud app to update Premiere and use your graphics card's official software to install the latest stable driver. Updates often include performance improvements, bug fixes, and better hardware support that directly impact playback. Put these changes in place, test your timeline, and combine them as needed.